This looks like it was a Monty. Now look at the light on the door frame. ThyssenKrupp on. Makes these beep. It's really controlled still. Oh, it was something with GAL. Still has the original indicator. I bet that's where the original COP used to be. It smells like Sears floor and mold. Yes, very specific, I know. But that elevator had a certain smell that I will never forget. A few people have been there and you'll know what I'm talking about. Pretty bland elevator now. 3,000 something. I forgot the address. I'll get it later. But yeah, poor modded elevator.